Hello, dear friends! Today you'll be joining me for one of my early mornings. I start today by saying a big good morning. The first thing I do when I wake up is grabbing my phone. Look how cute my phone is. I scroll through social media a bit. I don't like this habit, but I just can't start my day without checking my phone. In the early morning, I also look for content ideas. And now it's time to get up. I slip on my slippers, air out my room, and tidy up to get ready for the new day. Since I have a lot of blush toys on my bed, it takes a while to straighten everything. My bedding is from Temu and it's super practical. Now it's time to arrange the plushies. To wake myself up, I wash my face and go through my morning skincare routine. I try hard to stick this routine every day. Do you guys have a skincare routine? Do you use a cleanser or toner? Let me know in the comments. First, I apply my retinol cream. And then I put on a moisturizer that also has a sunscreen. After that, I apply a little foundation and a concealer. Coming to my favorite part is adding blush to give my cheeks a rosy glow. After a few more finishing touches, my makeup is done and I feel so much better. The weather is so beautiful today. It's sunny with no clouds. I head to the kitchen to drink a glass of water. The first thing I consume in the morning is a big glass of water. It helps to keep me energized, and my water is usually prepped in a jug and left to settle. Now let's make a nice breakfast plate. I toast my bread and start making a delicious sandwich. First, I peel the avocado and scoop out the inside with a spoon. I'm going to mash it up to make a spiced avocado spread. it's time to make soy sauce eggs. I fry the eggs nicely in the soy sauce's own oil. A little salt, and it's ready. I spread some garlic sauce on the bread to add flavor. Then I add the fried eggs on top and place some slices of beef ham. On the very top, I spread the mashed avocado. I close the sandwich and cut it in half, and voila! Our tasty sandwich is ready! For probiotics, I prepare some yogurt with grains and fruit. And of course, I make a banana milkshake. Let's stir it all up. It's breakfast time. Let's eat. Yummy! After breakfast, I cleaned up my desk in my room. It was a bit messy from last night. And I also received a package today. Let's open it together! It's a set of 4 notebooks. I bought them because I love the cover designs. These are some posters from my empty walls. Let's pick them up together. They turned out so cute! Now I need to write my to-do list. I'll prepare some video covers on my iPad and play a few games. Let's also take care of my nails. How do they look? Do you like them? Now I'm going to change my clothes and start preparing my dinner for later. Since I'm feeling lazy today, I'm making noodles. Of course, I'm adding some vegetables too. Now it's time for a little relaxation in the late afternoon. Did you like my video? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Love ya.